Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to juggle 3 balls. Good luck. You'll start off by throwing the first ball that you're holding in your dominant hand. Then, when it's just about to come down, you'll throw the other ball that's in your non-dominant hand. Then once you've done that, you'll throw the remaining ball in the air just as the others are about to come down. It should look something like this. Make sure that when you're doing this, you practice 3 times on one side, as well as 3 on the other. Don't forget to have a good, strong, solid base when you're juggling, so you can maintain control of the balls. Make sure that when you're juggling, you don't throw the balls too high or too low. To give you an idea, you should just grab the balls, relax your arms and put them near your sides, and throw them up to where you feel comfortable. But make sure you don't throw them up too high, because the higher they are, the more time you have, but they also could become unstable. But if you throw them too low, then you have less time. So make sure you have a good throwing distance between each one of them. I usually go near my chin height. You can find yours where you feel comfortable. Once you've mastered doing 3 balls on each side, you can attempt 4. Once you can do that consistently, you can continue on with doing 5 catches, 6, 7, 8, and onwards. Once you can do that, good job, you can juggle. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video.